We're showing off the merch?
Well, this is a little update video because we haven't posted in a long time. And we don't want you guys to think that we gave up. We came close, but we didn't give up.
Yeah, we haven't even done a video on the drop. Should we go over a couple of things, or should we talk about
We'll do
what's in store? What do you want to do first?
everything. Let's go over the drop first of all.
So we got some vinyls, as you can see.
Yeah, there you go.
15 wheels and under.
Show it up, dude. Put it up there, dude.
Man. You see it?
Yeah. What the f is going on with the camera these days? Whoa!
Okay. Well, we got vinyls on the website. We still have keychains.
Let's go over some of the new
Well, we have the light mirrors, but we don't have the ones that are all set up.
We'll take the batteries from the remotes. We got gloves.
6 different colors. 2 sizes. We all, of course, have floor mats. And then we have some crewies and t-shirts. We got the 8.6. Small wheels forever. Wheel size does matter. It's not the motion of the ocean. It's fully the size. And then we have the doctor's orders. Small wheels forever. Just what the doctor ordered. Back here. Small wheels are good for the style and the sole. Ask your doctor if small wheels are right for you.
So a lot of the t-shirts are sold out already. But we still have quite a few crew necks left, and it's pretty cold, you know. We're going into
we're going into winter, so grab a crew neck.
We got cup holders back in stock. We got some trucker hats left. We got quite a few.
Yeah, these trucker hats are actually
There's
sick.
more than what's on the shelf. Embroidered, dude. You know what I mean?
Embroidered flame logo. Then we got 3 new flags. We don't have them out. We'll just show the flags and the mirrors when we go to my house because we have that stuff already unpacked. Look at that. Safety sunny. Got the sticker here explaining the specs. Then on the arm, Moist Boys. Adjustable. You know what I mean? The horsepower's added from these pops.
360, dude. That's clean.
You know what I mean? So these are sick. Use them for safety sunnies, use them for regular sunnies, block out the haters, block out. You know, you actually can't see big wheels with those on, so it's kind of like medicine because you don't get sick from seeing that garbage. Link in the description. All the money goes towards our cars.
These are gonna go pretty quick, so make sure you hop on the website. Gloves, we got a couple, quite a few left, but you know, they're going quick, so make sure you grab them. We already sold out of the Style Is Not a Crime floor mats. We still have the HKS style and the Smoke Tires Not Cigarettes. Make sure you grab them.
Alright, I got the allergies, man.
As we were saying, we have a bunch of content, we're just waiting on a bunch of stuff.
Is this a balloon?
Anyways, dude, we got the paint here. Car's hopefully going to paint like next week, so there'll be content on that. We got freaking, dude, S15 turbo, RS MPP ECU, 550cc injectors for the SR. We're gonna do that soon too.
Yeah, man.
That'll be cool. What are you doing?
Balloons.
What other videos? 'Cause my car's getting painted, then we'll do all those parts. Blow up the SR. What are you gonna do?
Stoked to get started on the 8.6. Just gotta sell my coupe so it leaves the garage so we can pull the 8.6 in, then it's getting torn apart. Lots of plans for that. I have a whole list of shit we gotta do to it. And then Torrance is gonna do the body work, welding on the flares, and painting it in the winter time. So that'll be exciting. We got a lot of shit to do before that can happen. And then I'll probably sell the R32. I know there's gonna be everyone commenting, "Oh, it's R32, fuck you, man." But you know what?
People don't fucking get it either, man. Like, in today's market, why the f would you not sell that car?
Also, like, why is Tommy, FYI, and EOT allowed to sell cars? But I'm not.
Yeah.
I just feel like that's kind of racist because I'm from Europe, so.
Is it just mommy and daddy want their money back, so you gotta get rid of it?
Yeah, I did. Mama. Oh, actually, someone in the Q&A, someone said, "How do you guys get all these cars?"
Doing what we do, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pretty simple.
Oh, someone also asked about Ben, how he affords his cars. Ben's parents obviously don't give him any money. He's just been working since like he was in high school full time. He is a parts manager at a dealership, and he works fucking hard. He works 5 days a week full time, so that's how he affords his stuff. He pours all his money. He doesn't get anything from his parents. He pays his own rent, all that. So,
Adam and I afford shit is Moist Boys. Selling
Yeah.
all the merch.
Selling the merch. All the money goes straight into the cars.
Side business ventures, man. Flipping cars.
Yeah. Selling.
Fix the heads-up display later, dude.
Try to do a video on my GoPro?
It's freaking blowing back there. What?
Who are you talking to?
We could try and do it. Like another video. I don't know what's wrong with this camera. I blame Nelson.
Yeah, we could try the GoPro. See how it works. I'm all the way over there. In-house wrench specialist is getting her going. We got the TT300ZX Bosch fuel filter, which I read on a forum should be busting for this kind of application with an RB20 dit. So let's get her going and see if she chooches. This car did sit for like 3 years, so this could be clogged up, who knows? Yeah. Stock intake's back in. Pexi's out.
Man, look at the stuff coming out of this.
Noah got the old
Like
fuel filter out.
rusty as shit. That's all from the tank. It's from the filter.
This car did sit for 3 years. So.
Now we have to run new lines.
Look at that. $10 worth of 91 right there.
Get the other line off the.
Down bad, drinking a strawberry bubbly.
Tastes like shit.
Yeah. What stock intake and fuel filter are in? Juicy, man.
Wonder if it'll start up better now.
Hopefully.
That'd be chill.
Yeah. Alright, what are we doing now?
Go.
Go to the bank, then go look at some more of the merch and solder your cluster?
Yeah, then roll back and put it back in, see if it works.
Cool, man. Let's do that.
We hit the bank, dude. Now we're back. Let's go for this, man. You know what I mean, dude? Which one do you want? You want compliments? Oh, nice and cold.
One stick, keep it healthy.
Yeah.
Wait.
What are you gonna grab? We got options.
Yeah, I'll compliment it.
Alright, so my cluster lights don't work and my heads-up display doesn't work. Everything in this area looks fine. There's a break right there. Can't see. Focus. Right there. So we're gonna drop a bead of solder on there and then go back to my house and see if it fixes anything.
It's so weird how this circuit board's flexible.
These are the black hole mirrors, dude. We got blue. We got purple.
They clip onto any mirror.
Yeah, it's same thing as like a Broadway. And red. These are all available on the website. You know what I mean?
Those are fire. And then we're gonna do a rundown of the flags.
We got the flags too. Got the where the f is the red 86 one. Got the style is not a crime.
It's in the driveway.
Cop car on Longchamps, dude. Another style is not a crime. Got the Mark II. Smoking a cigarette. Big and small sizes, all available on the website.
And also we got the new driving gloves. These are getting great reviews. Super grippy, all the grip on the fucking palm. Yeah, look at that, flames down there. Got the black, pink, green, blue, yeller, the neon yeller. That's fire. And the purple. But yeah, me and Noah both wear a small glove.
Yep.
So the large ones are like if you actually have really big hands. I guess me and Noah's hands aren't that big. Cocks are huge though.
Absolutely massive hanging 3-incher, dude.
Yeah. What else do we have? I think that's basically it.
Yeah, that's it. That's all the new merch.
So yeah, if you haven't grabbed something, what are you doing? Yeah, if you want to support the fucking builds, bro, then link down below. Pick something up. International shipping worldwide. Just fucking get her going. Fuck, which compliments was mine?
That one was mine.
You sure?
Okay, yeah.
I don't want your fucking COVID. But yeah, these are tight. I mean, you don't want to use them. Look at how shitty these lights are. But luckily, we got these fuckers. These LED panels.
Holy, that looks like freaking that thing from Stranger Things, dude.
Fucking Demogorgon?
Yeah.
A little bit.
Sorry about it. Alright, slap it in, dude.
In the stew?
Okay, before the lighting in the stew, pretty junk, dude.
And Jesus said, "Let there be light."
Holy, dude.
That's pretty bright.
Not bad, eh?
Should we adjust these a bit and make it get better? I don't think you want to. No, I think they're fine. Is that pretty bright?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that actually blinded me.
You just can't look at them, dude. You didn't heat the safety settings in here.
How's the brightness though?
Also try to hit to